What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on this brand new 2024 310 SLX Sea Ray. Meet me on the boat. So starting at the back of the boat, this 310 SLX Sea Ray is equipped with the all-new 400 V10s. That's going to be max horsepower on this boat. Over on the port side, lift up this lever and you have a platform that will actually submerge under the water. So nice little platform to be able to sit on, sit partially in the water. You have this great lounger back here. You can sit back, relax, or you can even pull these up. Have it angled, gives you a backrest if you want to sit just on the edge of the seat. To put it back down, simply pull it all the way towards you and it'll go back down. You have cell phone chargers, a fusion radio back here, so you don't have to go all the way back up to the helm. You can be pulling up the sandbar, be lounging back here, enjoying yourself. You got cup holders back here with LED lighting in them. Now working your way into the boat. First thing I'm noticing, you have your battery switches, very conveniently located. The first compartment would be a great spot for dock lines or any smaller items. You have your freshwater sprayer, always in a great spot before you get into the boat. So when you're at that sandbar, you can spray all the sand or spray yourself off before you get into the cockpit of the boat. Also, great feature on these boats, whether you're at a floating dock where the transfer of the boat can be the same height as the dock, you can easily step off, or if you're at a fixed dock, maybe the tide drops a little bit, and the transfer of the boat is too much of a step, you can drop this step down and then use the gunnel right here to step up higher. Putting on and off the boat, you have your hatch control here that'll actually lift up the whole entire back area, give you access to the bilge, some more storage. Now on the starboard side, we have this mini summer kitchen area. You got a trash can here, your sink. Lift up this beautiful countertop and it reveals your grill, as well as another storage compartment. Wouldn't be a bad spot for trash there as well, even though you do have the dedicated spot for trash over here. Underneath the grill, open this door up, it's going to reveal a refrigerator. That's optional, you can also get storage there as well. Plenty of seating throughout the boat. This mount right here is for your cockpit table. There's also a bow table as well. Great for entertaining. Plenty of seating, more cup holders. Anywhere there's a seat on this boat, there's gonna be at least one cup holder for you. Another feature I'd like to point out, off the hardtop, you have the aft sunshade that's electric, which can be controlled at the helm. That'll stick out all the way to the end of the back lounger here, giving you shade all the way aft. This is also the gray interior. You can go with brown or white on these Sea Rays as well. So looking at the flooring, this is the sea deck in gray. You can also get it in brown. The gray on gray looks great, matches perfectly. So back to the starboard side, even another smaller seat here. Underneath, more storage. That would also be a good spot to be able to tuck a cooler away as well. You got some rubber matting on the bottom. So your cooler doesn't have to be sliding around or whatever you put in there. Right in the center, between all the seating, you have this massive storage compartment here. We have the boat covers down there right now. This boat just came from the factory. This has more of the rubber matting material on the bottom, so whatever you put down there won't be sliding around. Let's close that back up. Now, on the port side and the starboard, you have these seats which are bolstered. So whether you want to sit down, have some more leg space, or you want to sit above the height of the windshield, simply lift up the bolster. Now I have a better view. You're going to get a little bit more wind in your face if you're driving. Now you have a grab handle, speakers throughout the boat. Those are fusion radio speakers. These are the courtesy lights down here. Great for if you're going out on the boat in the morning time, if you're coming back in the dark, you can flip those on. They'll light up the deck of the boat so everyone can see and be safe getting on and off the boat. We have a storage compartment. This would be a great spot for cell phones. You have your 12-volt charger here for your cell phone, so you can tuck it away there and be charging it. This is the bathroom on the port. You open it up. You'll see there's plenty of space down there. You got a sink. You got a little storage compartment underneath the sink, as well as a nice, nicely finished countertop. So on the starboard, we have the captain's chair here, the helm. So I have the seat bolstered up. So at the helm here, we have a nice spot for you to rest your feet. It's got a little grip. You have joystick controls, radio, throttles, your Simrad VHF. This was actually equipped with the upgraded auto trim tabs. So that's versus your traditional. These ones, you can hit the automatic button and it'll actually self-level the boat. So not only that, you have your spotlight control here, fusion radio, this really nice acrylic backing. It's down here by the switches, all surround the dual Simrads. These Simrads are flush mounted with this acrylic backing, looks beautiful. More cup holders. This boat's got LED lighting throughout it, really neat. You can actually control the LED lighting through the electronics and change the colors of it. Super cool. If you want to have like a color theme, you can set that up. Now, if you're driving the boat, you want to have airflow through here, you would leave it configured the way it is with this door and the glass open. If you're driving and you don't want as much of a breeze, you would close the door up, close the door off, as well as closing up this windshield, which would then block all the wind. So behind this door reveals another door, which is going to give you access to your breakers, battery charging, refrigerator, your inverter, etc. So you also have a windshield wiper on the driver's side. So maybe you're getting a little bit of rain, you're tucked down behind the windshield. You can flip that on, it'll help clear your vision. All the way up in the bow, like I mentioned previously, we have the bow table mount. Great for entertaining. You could have people sitting all the way around it. Underneath that table mount, it's going to reveal more storage. There's definitely not a lack of storage on these Sea Rays. Also, the seats aft, as well as these seats, there is storage underneath all of them. That's what's great about these Sea Rays. Got storage in there. This reveals more storage, as well as storage on this side as well. You actually have one of your tables right here. Let's close that up. Also, both the seats off the front of the console have armrests that drop down. And that's a spotlight off the bow that I mentioned previously. You also have a windlass. The windlass is a great feature. For those of you who have never had a boat that has a windlass, you will definitely appreciate it. No one has to haul up the anchor anymore at the end of the day when you're leaving the sandbar. If you want to see this boat, you can come by MarineMax Jupiter or call us today. Don't forget to ask for Chad.